Imagine hitting the open road in a trailer that's tough enough for off-grid adventures, but luxurious enough to feel like home without breaking the bank or your tow vehicle. Stick around as we count down the top 10 best travel trailers that balance innovation, comfort, and value perfectly. 10. Legacy Elite 2. The Oliver Legacy caught my eye right away with its unique double-hulled fiberglass shell, promising 4-season durability that's rare in this size class. At 23.6 inches long, it's compact enough for most half-ton trucks to tow smoothly, weighing in around 5,000 pounds dry. I hauled it through the Rockies last summer, and the insulated hull kept the interior cool during 90-degree days without the AC running non-stop. Genius for fuel savings. The tandem axles with Nevar-Lube springs absorbed bumps like a champ, making highway hauls vibration-free, and the 7,000-pound Bulldog hitch felt rock-solid even in crosswinds. Inside, the standard floor plan shines with a rear dinette that seats 6 and converts to a king bed, perfect for couples or small families. The kitchen packs a punch. Induction stove, 12-volt fridge, stainless microwave, and those fiber granite countertops that wipe clean effortlessly after messy meals. I cooked full breakfasts on the road, loving the high-rise swivel faucet and custom drawers with dovetail joints. No sagging hardware here. The full bath, with its Dometic porcelain toilet, neodymic shower wand, and exhaust fan, felt spa-like after muddy hikes, and the max air vent kept humidity low. Storage is thoughtful throughout. Overhead lighted cabinets, a full-height wardrobe, and an enclosed battery tray with 4 Group 27 deep cycles that lasted 10 days off-grid with solar prep. Exterior perks like the powered awning with LED strip and wind sensor deployed flawlessly, even in gusts, while dual 20-pound LP tanks and a wash station handled daily needs. 9. STOCKMAN ROVER 02. The STOCKMAN screams adventure-ready with its off-road pod design, super light at 260 kg/t for the Ultra model, towable by SUVs without sweat. I dragged it across Australian outback tracks mimicking US deserts, and the independent coil spring suspension with Petter's shocks ate up corrugations, keeping the cabin steady. At 5.4 meters long, it parks anywhere, and the DO35 swivel hitch maneuvered tight trails effortlessly, with 17-inch alloys and AT tires gripping like glue. Climbing inside the cabin feels cozy yet airy, thanks to huge windows with midge-proof mesh, blackout blinds, and cross-ventilation that banished stuffiness. The queen inner spring mattress was plush for 2 weeks straight, with lounging cushions, reading lights, and 6 USB ports, keeping devices charged via 100-400 amp-hour lithium batteries. Roof vent with fan and optional diesel heater maintained toasty nights down to 40 degrees, while front cupboards swallowed gear without clutter. The kitchen is a standout. 130-liter Bushman fridge freezer, swing-out BBQ cooker, an ergonomic pantry with hot-cold sink, wash tub, and drying rack, ideal for family feasts under the optional awning. Redark power management handled 12 volts 240 volts seamlessly, powering fridge and lights indefinitely with solar input. Extras like stone guard and roof rails carried kayaks securely, and the 150-liter water tank sufficed for showers and cooking. That said, the ROVER 02 has quirks that frustrated during extended use. Setup relies on swing doors and stabilizers that take fiddling in wind, unlike slide-outs, and the compact cabin gets claustrophobic for taller folks or with kids' gear piled in. 8. RP206. Forest River delivers compact versatility at 25 feet long and under 5,000 pounds UVW, perfect for first-timers or fuel-conscious travelers. I towed it solo behind a Tacoma across national parks, praising the torsion axles for plush rides over potholes and the aerodynamic fiberglass front cap that sliced wind resistance. Power awning and theater seating up front created instant outdoor living space, while pass-through storage swallowed bulky items like chairs and grills. The Murphy bed setup frees daytime floor space for lounging, converting to a queen with wardrobe below, slept soundly after hikes, with overhead cabinets maximizing every inch. Kitchen boasts a spacious pantry, 3-burner stove, 6-cuff-eat fridge, and farmhouse sink. I whipped up pasta dinners effortlessly, loving the skylight above for natural light. Rear bath is a gem. Full shower, toilet, vanity, and linen closet that stayed dry even in downpours thanks to good seals. Tech shines with Bluetooth stereo, LED TVs inside out, and solar prep for boondocking. My 200-watt panels kept lights and fans running 3 days. Dual 20-pound tanks, 30-amp service, and tankless water heater provided hot showers on demand. Stabilizers and electric jacks made leveling quick, and the black tank flush system prevented odors. Interior finishes feel premium for the price, with residential furniture and vinyl flooring that cleans easy after muddy boots. AC and furnace duo handled 100-degree heat and chilly dawns flawlessly. No major gripes here. Minor cosmetic wear showed faster than rivals, but overall, it's reliable daily driver fun. 7. Transcend 315 RKT. Grand Design stands out as a couple's paradise in the 36-foot 10-inch class, boasting an 8,400-pound UVW that's manageable for 3/4-ton trucks while delivering resort-level amenities. During my 1,500-mile tour from Texas to the Great Lakes, the rear kitchen layout became my command center. A massive island with farmhouse stainless sink, 10.7 cubic foot residential fridge, convection microwave, and 3-burner cooktop handled gourmet meals like seared salmon and fresh salads without feeling cramped. The walk-in pantry swallowed 2 weeks' groceries, and the pull-out prep table kept chaos at bay during family visits. Deep-tinted windows and LED under-cabinet lighting created a warm glow for evening wine sessions, while the 35,000 BTU furnace and 15,000 BTU AC maintained perfect temps through 95-degree humidity and surprise chills. The living area wows with opposing slide-outs expanding to theater seating for 2, facing a 50-inch LED TV and electric fireplace. Binge-watch sunsets there after long drives, feet up on the ottoman. Up front, the 70 by 80-inch king bed suite feels palatial with dual wardrobes, overhead cabinets, and washer-dryer prep that I hooked up for mid-trip laundry, keeping linens fresh. Blackout shades and dual fans ensured deep sleep, and the USB 110 outlets by the bed charged everything overnight. No creaks or sags, thanks to the laminated fiberglass walls and Asdel composite panels that resisted the week's heavy rains without delamination. Bathroom indulgence peaks with a 27 by 36-inch shower featuring a solid door, linen tower, and skylight for steam-free mornings. The foot-flush toilet and large vanity mirror stayed spotless. 6. Apex Ultra-Lite 242 BARV. Coachman's Apex masterfully packs family fun into a 29-foot, 6,200-pound lightweight frame, ideal for V6 tow vehicles craving efficiency. On multi-generational camping loops through Yellowstone, the double bunks slept 4 kids comfortably with privacy curtains and safety rails, while the queen walk-around bed and convertible dinette U-shaped lounge accommodated adults plus overflow guests up to 8. Trundle storage below bunks hid toys and linens, and the teddy bear mats kept little feet warm, pure genius for chaos control. Kitchen dominates with a central island boasting solid surface counters, deep double sink, 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, and 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge that chilled drinks through heat waves. The skylight and window flooded it with light for pancake mornings. Outdoor kitchen with mini fridge, sink, and swivel stovetop extended feasts al fresco under the 18-foot power awning with LED accents. No more smoky interiors. Pass-through storage and front cargo door organized bikes and coolers effortlessly. The full rear bath impresses with a tub-shower combo, toilet, sink, linen closet, and vent fan that vented steam quickly. Skylight made it feel bigger for kid baths. Power tongue jack and stabilizers leveled in seconds on uneven sites, while the Dexter torsion axles delivered buttery rides over washboard roads. Dual 30-pound propane tanks fueled the 25K BTU furnace and 13.5K AC through all seasons. Tech forward with solar prep, Bluetooth stereo, LED TVs, and USB hubs everywhere kept the family entertained off-grid for days. Number 5. Wayfind RV X225. The Wayfind reimagines the Overlander travel trailer with its burly 27-foot chassis clocking in under 7,000 pounds dry, engineered for punishing terrains that would shred lesser rigs. I pushed it to extremes on a 3,000-mile loop from Mojave Deserts to Canadian Rockies, where the heavy-duty Timbren independent suspension and 35-inch all-terrain tires devoured rock crawls, deep sand, and washouts without flinching. The off-road package with upgraded axles and electric over hydraulic jacks lifted it 4 inches higher for clearance that let me access hidden hot springs. Aerodynamic composite front cap and aluminum skeleton kept towing stable behind my F-150 at 65 miles per hour, with minimal sway even unloaded, and the 16,000-pound GVWR left payload for rooftop gear like bikes and solar arrays. Inside, modularity rules. The Power Murphy Queen bed flips up to unleash a full lounge with swivel chairs, coffee table, and sectional sofa, sleeping 2 more, while overhead cabinets and underbed storage devoured expedition duffels without waste. Kitchen workstation impresses with dual induction burners, a slide-out 8 cubic foot compressor fridge freezer, farmhouse sink with pull-out sprayer, and flip-up countertop extension, crafted sunrise omelets amid dunes, loving the seamless Corian surfaces that resisted stains from curry spills. The cassette wet bath with Nibaya showerhead and composting. Thetford toilet stayed pristine and odorless after weeks off-grid, with a mirrored medicine cabinet hiding outlets for electric toothbrushes. Power autonomy astounds. 600-amp-hour battle-born lithium batteries paired with 400 watts flexible solar panels on the roof and optional awnings sustained lights, fans, Starlink, and fridge indefinitely, monitored via a crisp touchscreen app that alerted low levels proactively. 24. Living Vehicles HD24 redefines solar electric opulence in a sleek 24-foot bumper pull at roughly 8,000 pounds, where net zero energy means true grid independence. My 40-day Mojave to Yosemite off-grid odyssey ran full systems, AC, cooking, laundry, on its 3,000-watt solar roof and 21 kilowatt-hour base battery bank, upgradable to 72 kilowatt-hour, with pure sine wave inverters powering 120 volts appliances flawlessly. Even charged my EV Sidekick overnight via integrated Level 2 port. The proprietary ELV Energy system auto-optimizes via app, prioritizing loads during peak sun, and dual solar awnings doubled output while shading patios. Adaptable genius shines. The 5x8-foot walk-in closet morphs into a mobile office with desk, power, and fold-down bunk via quick-swap panels, or stays a wardrobe beast next to the king memory foam bed with 700-thread linens. Kitchen rivals high-end condos, full-size residential fridge, induction range with downdraft hood, dishwasher drawer, wine chiller, and soft-close cabinets stocked for feasts, pureed soups to grilled fillets without propane smells. Washer-dryer combo in the closet kept clothes fresh mid-adventure. HVAC excellence. Sear 21 mini split delivers 24K BTU heat-cool silently, sipping power for 110-degree blasts or snowmelt chills, 4-season standard. Wet bath spa, rainhead shower, porcelain toilet, and Atmos treatment system recycled water. 40-gallon fresh tank with atmospheric water generator up to 20 gallons day, and black-gray processors meant 0 dumps for months. Smart home integration, voice-activated lights, blinds, locks, Starlink mount standard. Triple axle smoothed highways, auto levelers deployed in seconds. Night edition black accents stealth mode it perfectly. 3. Imagine AIM. Grand Design's Imagine AIM series masters ultra-lightweight travel trailers starting under 3,600 pounds, pairing flawlessly with mid-size SUVs for 30-plus mpg tows without sacrificing substance. I logged 2,500 miles from Florida Keys to Rocky Mountains in the popular 18BH floor plan, marveling at the vacuum-bonded roof, laminated aluminum-framed sidewalls, and Asdel composite panels that withstood hailstorms and coastal humidity without warping. The theater-style dinette converted to a comfy queen bed, while the front Queen Murphy bed freed daytime space for card games. Dual entry doors, one with toy hall pass-through, made loading kayaks a snap, and the 15-foot power awning with LED strips created instant patios for stargazing. Kitchen efficiency pops. 12-volt, 10-cubic-foot Black Series fridge ran silent off solar, 3-burner cooktop with oven-baked pies, convection microwave reheated seamlessly, and the deep stainless sink with high-rise faucet handled veggie washes effortlessly. Pantry and flip-up counter expanded prep space for 4. Outdoor camp kitchen with mini fridge and black stone-style griddle kept smoky grilling outside, loving the motion sensor entry lights illuminating setups at dusk. Bathroom access even with slides in is genius. Spacious neo-angle shower with seat, foot-flush toilet, linen closet, and power vent cleared steam fast. Skylight poured light for makeup sessions. Four-season certification shines, R40 floor, R30 roof, R9 walls, heated enclosed underbelly, and double-insulated baggage doors kept 100-degree days cool and 6 degrees fair lab-tested nights toasty. Real world held steady in 15 degrees fair winds. Peace of mind warranty covers it all. Number 2. Airstream Caravel. Airstream's Caravel revives lightweight legends from 16 RB to 22 FB. Up to 22 feet, single axle, sleeps 4. Towable by SUVs with its low center of gravity and aerodynamic hand-riveted aluminum shell. My 4,000-mile coastal caravan in the 22 FB showcased whisper-quiet tows, panoramic front-rear windows framing sunrises, and rear hatch deploying like a tailgate party platform, perfect for beachside happy hours. Heavy-duty 16-foot side awning with stripes and integrated LED created shaded sanctuaries. Galley inspires, stainless rectangular sink, high arch faucet, Baraldi vent hood over 4-burner cast iron stove, convection microwave, 2-door fridge, whipped paella watching waves, loving brushed nickel accents matching modern fixtures. Nasami ultra leather seating in lounge dinette converts plushly, overhead lockers and underbed storage devoured linens and gadgets. QuietStream AC with electronic controls chilled silently. Onboard restroom wet bath with sculptured sink, LED vanity, and premium shower delivers spa showers. Wardrobe closet hides more. Power awning tongue jack, electric stabilizer jacks ease setup. Optional solar, lithium batteries enable boondocking. Vintage name nods to windward sailing ships. Timeless design, generational quality, Caravel turns heads eternally. 1 Model I, 265. Brinkley RV ascends to throne in the 32-foot Model 1 series at 8,500 pounds UVW, fusing residential grandeur with road-ready prowess. Epic 5,000-mile cross-country haul revealed Supreme Dexter Torflex axles, nitrogen shocks, and 18-inch aluminum wheels, devouring interstates and byways sway-free, while the 11,000-pound GVWR embraced full payload for ATVs. Frameless tinted safety glass windows, and 21-foot power awning with 6-point motors crafted resort exteriors. Kitchen masterpiece, 16 cubic foot residential French door fridge, massive island with farmhouse sink, dishwasher prep, walk-in butler's pantry with coffee station, hosted Thanksgiving feasts, deep drawers and soft close cabinetry organizing flawlessly. Outdoor kitchen with 30-inch residential griddle, expanded horizons. Master retreat, 72 by 80 king walk-around bed, dual wardrobes, 48 by 30 tiled shower with seat door, dual vanities, spa mornings galore. Midship half bath for guests. Opposing slides with swivel theater seats, 50-inch TV, fireplace. Residential furniture endures. Tech pinnacle, 200-watt solar standard, 100-amp converter, auto-gen start app controls, pre-wired solar roof. Laminated fiberglass, block foam insulation 4-season. Unrivaled fit finish. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.